Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the virtual orientation program of FRJC students of Science and Commerce of Chandraban Sharma Junior College. Let us start the program with Ganesh Vandana.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
All of you on behalf of Chandraban Sharma Junior College. We are happy to have you all as an important part of our institution. We look forward to a productive partnership with you to ensure our children achieve their highest potential. And I want you to know that we'll do our best to carry out our responsibilities. Now I request our principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Pratima Singh ma'am, to please address our parents and students.
Very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Chandraban Sharma College, Chandraban Sharma Junior College of Science and Commerce, the management, faculty members, and everyone at Chandraban Sharma College, I heartily welcome all the students who have taken admission in the first year of Science and Commerce, fresher students, and also their parents who have joined today. A grand welcome to all the parents. I know, students, it's a day of excitement for all of you. It is day one of your college. Of course, you are not, due to pandemic, you are not in the college premises today. We are conducting this on a virtual platform, but definitely it's a day of excitement as it's a day one of your college life. Students, you all have completed your schooling. Now, this is another milestone which is beginning in your life, in your educational career. So you are beginning your college life. Congratulations on your college life, students. And I must congratulate you for joining Chandraban Sharma College, because the college offers a lot of opportunities to you, a lot of facilities to you as a student, and offers such an ambience and environment which will give you a lot of academic upliftment. We not only have a junior college, but also a degree college and post-graduation courses. So once you have entered Chandraban Sharma College in the junior college section, after completion of your 11th and 12th standard, we have several courses in our degree college, which is affiliated to University of Mumbai, which I'll let you know in the future slide. And then for post-graduation programs, we also have some universities with us. So student, once you have entered here in the portals of Chandraban Sharma College, your academic career is secure. Also, we have a very good placement cell in our degree college where there are a lot of companies, corporates coming in and giving campus placement to our students. So your academic career, your job placement, everything is secure at Chandraban Sharma College. So that's the thing in a future of your about your job and everything. First of all, you have to complete your standard 11th and 12th. Those who have taken commerce, they have decided what in future they want to do. And those of you who have taken science, definitely your choices are different. But there are a lot of career opportunities in both. It's not only that in science, there are career opportunities in commerce as well. There are several good career opportunities. So my best wishes, students, to all of you for a great future academic career here. Today, your class teachers will also explain you. You will be given a different link. Your class teachers will be explaining you the nitty-gritties of different rules, regulations, examinations, academics, curriculum, everything. Before that, I would like to share with you some information about the institute, about the management, about various other things. So I'll share the screen with you. Just a minute. So let me first begin with the history of the college. The junior college was started in the year 2004, and we started the general science and commerce initially. Later in the year 2008, the college started bifocal also, where we have computer science, electronics, banking, and marketing as a subject. So along with the general science and commerce, we also have bifocal science and commerce. And as I told you, other than junior college, we also have a degree college, which was started in the year 2008, affiliated to University of Mumbai. And in the year 2016, we affiliated with Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University at Nashik, which is a Maharashtra state government university. So we also have courses from YCMOU, that is BCA, and post-graduation program MCA and MCOM. So a lot of academic options for you students here at this college. Now, let me tell you about our GHP group. The college is managed by GHP group. So other than college, the group has several other educational institutions like Gopal Sharma Memorial School, Gopal Sharma International School, Powai English High School, Gopal Sharma Blooming Buds. It is a chain of preschool. Then at Jaipur also, the trust has school and college. Also a Mac Animation Center at Powai. So it's a GHP group is a big group having a lot of schools and colleges. More than 15,000 students are studying or associated with the GHP group educational institution. Now, let me tell you something about Pandit Chandrabhanji Sharma. As you know, the name of the college is Chandrabhan Sharma College of Science and Commerce. So our inspiration in the memory of Pandit Chandrabhan Sharma College, grandfather of the present managing trustee, the college is named as Pandit Chandrabhan Sharma College of Science and Commerce. Chandrabhan Sharma ji was a freedom fighter, a great Gandhian, champion of philanthropic and social reformation work. Now on the screen, you can see our managing trustee of the college. Started this college in 2004, Shri Prashant Ji Sharma. Other members of Can I request the students to keep themselves on mute? I'm getting some disturbance.
Students, please mute yourself.
Please mute yourself, students, all of you. Okay, now let us look at the college governing body. The managing trustee of the college is Mr. Prashant Sharma. The other governing body members are Mr. Dikshant Sharma, Srimati Sunita Devi Sharma, Srimati Manju Sharma, and Shri Himanshu Sharma. The college principal, I am the principal of the college, Dr. Pratima Singh. You can visit me at my office at the second floor of the college building. The coordinator of the college, junior college, Satyanand Singh. He sits at 5th floor of the college. Now, let me tell you something about our degree college courses. So these are the courses on screen which we offer. After 12th standard, these are the various options. We have BCom, BSc IT, BAF, BMS, BBI, BFM, BMMC, all good courses of Mumbai University. Then we have from YCMOU, BCA, MCA, and MCOM. So these are the various courses our college offers in the degree college and the post-graduation. Now students, the disciplinary rules of the college. 75% attendance is mandatory as per the rules of Maharashtra Board. Unless you achieve 75% attendance, the college will not allow you for the examination. So why 75?
Meetings are
I urge that all of you should have 100% attendance. Along with that, wearing ID card in the college, the identity card of the college is compulsory when you are in the campus.
meeting
So whenever you are coming to college for your lecture, practical, or any office work also, then you have to wear your ID card. Use of mobile phone in the classroom during the lectures or while you are in the college campus is not allowed. Our college, Chandrabhan Sharma College, has one of the best infrastructure. The college has CCTV surveillance and security system for safeguard of our students and faculty members. We have the state-of-art physics, chemistry, biology, electronics, and IT lab for our students. There are 3 IT labs in college where more than 100 computers are allotted for students for their practicals and various other activities. The college library, which is at 4th floor, is state-of-the-art with all the modern amenities. So it is fully automated and we have a good collection of the reference book. Students are given the identity card of the library separately and you can visit the library with the identity card. We have the state-of-the-art AV room and conference room for various workshop and seminar conducted by college. The gymkhana and the gymnasium of the college is also at the 4th floor, which offers various indoor and outdoor sports activities. We have the sports coaches and also the full-time sports teachers. The cafeteria is at ground floor, which is now due to pandemic, as per the rules, it is not open, but in future, definitely when the government it will be open. We have boys and girls common room and the examination room separate. For the academic enrichment of our students, the college has ICT teaching. All the classrooms have projector and other ICT facilities where the teaching can be done in the most modern manner. We arrange guest lectures, workshop and conferences. The college has a digital attendance system and also the college app. We have the career guidance and placement cell where various activities are organized. The college during its annual day has various prizes for meritorious students and under various categories like best student overall, best sports student, and the student who has best attendance in the library. So various other scholarships are also given or awarded during the annual day. Among other co-curricular activities, we have industrial visit for our students. Then we have a cultural fest, which is known as Quaish, where various other colleges and students from all over Mumbai participate, which is one of the mega event. In the pandemic, we have not been able to organize this, but definitely in future we will. Another mega event we have is intercollegiate quiz competition Impulse, where the colleges from Mumbai all over participate. Then internally we have presentation competition, essay writing competition, quiz competition, and several other intra-college competition for the overall development of our students. For sports, we have various indoor and outdoor sports options. Full-time sports faculty and coaches are appointed. We have annual sports meet and the winner students are awarded during the annual day. Best athlete prize we have. Intercollegiate sports competition and other state level, ward level competitions, students can participate. Now, this is regarding anti-ragging, which is mandatory. So as per the Honorable Supreme Court's order, no student, no college, no student is allowed to be involved in these kind of ragging activities. And we will not tolerate this at all. There are, as you can see on the screen, there is a fine and several other things which are, if such kind of activities are done in the college, then there's a fine and other punishments. I'm sharing on screen the last year HSC toppers from Chandrabhan Sharma College under Science and Commerce category. In the Commerce, Shruti Satyanand Singh, she secured 93.83%. And in Science, Harsh Keshav Sinha, he secured 94.67. So students, it is our wish that the next year's toppers secure more than this, and your batch, which is a year after that, again secures more than the previous batch. That's all, students, from my side. Now the class teachers will also inform you various things which are applicable to you. So all the best to all of you. And anytime, if you want to meet the principal or the coordinator or faculty members, you can come to college. And you will be informed about your schedule, how you have to come to college, because all the students will not be allowed at a time to come to college. So we will give you the schedule, how you will be coming to college in various batches. That will be informed by your class teachers. So best wishes. And once again,
ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.